Tutorials on the DIGCOMPEDU framework.
Analyzing evidence. The collection and analysis of high-quality evidence is an essential component in the ongoing cycle of inquiry that is central to improving teaching and learning. Understanding and managing the range of information that counts as evidence of student learning and achievement can be daunting. It requires teachers and school leaders to be confident in their assessment literacy. For teachers to use evidence to improve teaching and learning in their classrooms, they need information about what their students know and can do. Teachers, however, cannot be expected to know and do all this on their own, but need the support of well-informed leaders who have sufficient knowledge. Types of evidence. There is a wide range of evidence that schools and teachers can use when inquiring into student learning. Some evidence can be described through a quantifiable number. This is referred to as quantitative evidence or data. Other evidence is less easy to quantify. This is referred to as qualitative evidence, as it describes a quality that can be difficult to represent in numbers. Both types of evidence are used by teachers and schools. Activities for analyzing evidence according to framework include: to design and implement learning activities, which generate data on learner activity and performance. To use digital technologies to record, compare, and synthesize data on learner progress. To be aware that learner activity in digital environments generates data that can be used to inform teaching and learning. To analyze and interpret available evidence on learner activity and progress, including the data generated by the digital technologies used. To consider, combine, and evaluate different sources of evidence on learner progress and performance. To critically value the evidence available to inform teaching and learning. Progression levels for analyzing evidence. A newcomer, making little use of digital data for monitoring progress. An explorer is evaluating basic data on learner activity and performance. An integrator is evaluating a range of digital data to inform teaching. An expert is strategically employing digital tool for data generation. A leader is using digital data to reflect on learning patterns and teaching strategies. A pioneer is innovating data generation and evaluation.